Anamu herb bath protects from bad energy. The Anamu plant is a powerful weapon against all that is bad. In a space, it has the power to create a force field that protects against bad energy. It emanates optimistic vibrations and attracts luck, happiness, and spiritual development. Therefore, Anamu baths have become popular, all thanks to its mystical properties. Composition: Anamu weight, 15 grams. How to prepare: boil approximately 1.0 to 1.5 liters of water. Turn off the heat and pour in the herbs. Cover and let steep for 30 minutes. Strain and wait for the temperature to cool. Take your bath as usual and finish by pouring the herbal bath from neck to feet. Every herbal bath is a ritual. Therefore, take the opportunity to connect with this energy and stay focused. Anamu has always been used for these purposes, in addition to religious rituals, especially in African-based religions. Anamu in phytotherapy as a health remedy. During colonial times in Brazil, it was called master-taming medicine by slaves, as its toxic effects were already known. In home medicine, it is used as a remedy for arthritis and rheumatism, memory loss, malaria, antispasmodic action, sudorific action, diuretic action. Warning: keep out of reach of children and animals. Do not ingest. Store in a cool, dry place. Avoid contact with eyes and mucous membranes. In case of allergy, discontinue use immediately.